Curious about streaming IPTV on your Roku device? Let's dive into solving this intriguing tech possibility together quickly. First, let's tackle the question: what is IPTV? It's a modern, convenient way to access media via the internet. Now, is it possible to watch IPTV on a Roku, considering its versatile service offerings? That's what we're exploring here. You might wonder why Roku. It's compact yet powerful, offering numerous channels and apps beautifully on your screen. Without further ado, how does one connect IPTV to Roku? It's actually a straightforward process with a few key steps. Begin by ensuring your Roku is updated. Always maintain the latest version for optimal app integration and performance. Download an IPTV app from the Roku channel store or add channels supportive of IPTV streaming to start. Next, find a reliable IPTV provider. Consider checking out 2tv.store for premium services when setting this up. Once chosen, enter your IPTV provider's URL and credentials into the Roku app for seamless streaming access. With successful setup, browse and enjoy streaming through a world of IPTV content directly on your Roku device. Keep watching for more tech tips, ensuring your entertainment setup is top-notch with the best IPTV solutions available.